Good morning, guys. Okay, so I just woke up, just washed my face, brushed my teeth, you know, all that fun stuff. Now I need to make my bed because that's hectic, and clean my room a little bit. I gotta do laundry today. Let's open up the curtain. I am going to make my bed and then I'm going to change clothes because this is not my outfit of the day. And then I'm gonna eat some breakfast after I do my skincare routine because my skin needs some love. So yeah. Oh gosh, I need water. So yeah, I'm gonna make my bed first. Okay, now my bed is made, so I am going to pick out my outfit for the day. So I think I'm just gonna go with a little tank top and maybe some leggings. I think I am going to wear these. I just got these from Aerie. They're the what are they? They're the flare leggings. The fit for the day before I go work out. So yeah. Let's go do my skincare. So I just roll out my face with this ice roller because I have really puffy eyes in the morning, if you can't tell, and it helps circulate my blood in my face and it just feels so good. It really wakes me up. So yeah, that's why I do it. So this is what I use first, and then I get out my gel. Literally my favorite thing ever. A few pumps of the hydraulic acid and then I'll put on the gel. That's the hydraulic acid, and then I put on the oat gel moisturizer. And you can literally get this from Walmart. I think that's where I got mine from, but it works so well, especially if you have dry, sensitive skin. I'm now going to brush out my eyelash extension. And then I take my vitamins for the day. So I take the Smarty Pants Organics with probiotics women's formula for my vitamins. They're really good. They're organic. That's the main reason I take them. And it gets me in my daily vitamins and supplements. So I take 2. I'm supposed to take 4, but no, I'm taking 2. So now I am going to go grab some food. We'll make some food. So let's go make some food and then study. Yay! So the first thing I'm gonna make is my iced coffee. So I'll be using oat milk, of course. So I have my cup, and then I grab one of these reusable K-cups. I got these from Amazon, and literally they're amazing because I get my pound of coffee from Starbucks since I work there each week. So I just pour it into here and then I just fill up a reusable K-cup. So that's what we're gonna do. I then choose what syrup I want to use, and today I think I'm going to do vanilla. Since I'm mixing it with oat milk, vanilla and oat milk's really good together. So I'm gonna do a few pumps of vanilla. There we go. And then I just click shot. My oat milk. Top it off with caramel drizzle. And then put my straw. And that is how I make my iced lattes in the morning. So next up, I am going to make my breakfast. Okay, I just got done eating, finished my water, finished my coffee almost, and then ate the majority of the bagel. Anyways, I am going to put on a hoodie and pack up my backpack so I can go study. We're gonna go study at a coffee shop, have our meeting, then we're gonna come back, eat lunch, and then we are gonna go work out and then go to practice. And then, yeah, eat dinner. So that is the day. That's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna clean this up. I'm gonna go grab my backpack and everything, and I'll see you guys there. So this is my studying fit. I got a Gymshark crew neck on, literally so comfortable. Got my flare leggings, and then I have my little Ugg slippers. Definitely going for a comfy vibe today. Just feeling really cozy and ready to study. So I'm here, guys, and I had a question. Is it weird or is it rude that I really just want water right now? I literally just need the coffee shop so I can study, because whenever I'm at my house, I know I can get right back into bed, and then I seem to not focus as much. So I really just want water. I already ate, I already had my coffee, so I think I'm just gonna ask for water. I hope that's not mean, or I hope that's not rude. But maybe I'll get another coffee later, or I get a smoothie or something, but right now I just want water. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay guys, so I have been here for about 2.5 hours, and I finally finished all my college homework, and then I have been studying for my personal training certification. So yeah, it's hard. It's also freezing in here, but I am surrounded by windows and it's 40 degrees out, so that's probably why. But yeah, I'm just drinking water. I am getting really hungry though, so after I finish studying, and I have a meeting in like 10 minutes at 12:30, and then after my meeting's over at 1, I will go to my house, change clothes, and eat lunch, and then go work out. So I want to keep studying for the next 15 minutes, have my meeting, and then go to my house and eat, because I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. I don't want to get food here, to be completely honest, because it's all pastry items, so I'm not feeling it. I'm just gonna drink my water.
Sit up, you sit up, you sit up, you sit up.
Okay, so I just got done with my meeting and I'm in my car. It was literally so cold in there. Like, I was shivering the whole entire time, and I had this huge crew neck on, and I had my Ugg slippers on, like, and it was still cold. But the meeting went well, and I am so hungry. Okay, I'm complaining a lot. Anyways, I am very hungry. Yeah, so I'm gonna drive to my house, make some lunch, and then change to my workout clothes, go work out. Let's get it. Protein wraps, provolone cheese, turkey bread, mixed greens, and avocado ranch. I'm gonna put this together for lunch. And then for a little side, I'm probably gonna have cheese cubes and pretzels. Ta-da! Okay, this looks so good. But I'm gonna go eat in my room so that I can continue to study. Maybe take a little break. I need to post on TikTok, but I haven't worked out today, so I don't really have any content to post. So So yeah, this is my lunch. Yay. Also, I've been obsessing over the gym supplements. I love their protein powders and I love their pre-workout. Also, love Sweat Fitness, really good protein powder as well. All right, so I'm gonna eat this real fast. I just finished lunch and now I'm gonna pick out my gym outfit. So I'm probably gonna wear Gymshark because I literally love Gymshark. I love their clothes. Their material is amazing. The quality, 12 out of 10. So I've been really obsessed with like this type of green. So I'm thinking something maybe similar. What about this? It's like a teal green. Literally love this color. I'm gonna wear this. I have the matching sports bra, so I could probably wear it with that. And then I could wear this crew neck over top. So I have these leggings. And then, should I wear a different collar or should I wear the same color? Because I feel like this would look cute with it, a gray. I'm gonna try on these two and see what that looks like. All right, so I got the outfit on. Literally obsessed with the leggings. They're super cute. I put on my Gymshark socks to match it. And I want to throw on my shoes and my crew neck and we're ready to go. We made it. Welcome to our home gym. Okay guys, so for today's workout I did shoulders and abs. So of course at first I put up my hair and loved on Nico. He's my little baby. And then I jumped in place for about 5 minutes. After that, I do my dynamic stretching, my dynamic warm-up, whatever you want to call it. And the first thing I do is my lateral swings. So I do that to open up my hips and get my legs loosened up. Then I do my lateral lunges. Literally obsessed with those. They open up my hips. And then I warmed up my arms since we are doing arms today. And then I did not like my hair, so I did switch it up to a bun. And it truthfully didn't end up looking any better. Anyways, so the first exercise I started out with was my lateral raises. These literally demolished my shoulders, so I just had to start out with them because your girl loves a challenge. So pump cover comes off because you know lateral raises make you sweat. Then I went into the standing barbell overhead shoulder press and I supersetted that with the upright barbell rows. This absolutely killed my shoulders, but you gotta love it. After that, I went straight into doing cable face pulls. I love this exercise. I love this movement. It works my shoulders so well. And then I got the mat out so I could do abs at the end. So for my full ab workout, it is located on my TikTok and Instagram if you want to go watch that. But I just did some leg raises and then I supersetted that with hollow holds. Then after that, I did toe taps, which really works your obliques. And then I also supersetted that with side plank dips. Okay, so that is all for today's workout. If you guys want to see my full ab routine that I did today, it is located on my TikTok and Instagram. If you want to check that out, I have those linked right here. It was a great workout. If you guys want to try it, you can always train with me on my fitness app or one-on-one online training, and that will all be linked in the description below if you are interested. I'm literally obsessed with these minimal sport bras. I have like 5 of them now. They're so cute. Love the back. It's great for like a back day or shoulder day, you know. Really shows off your whole back. If you're interested in purchasing anything from Gymshark, I would appreciate it if you'd use my Gymshark link. It would support me so much, and screenshot me a picture if you do use my link because I want to personally thank you for using my link and supporting me because I could not do any of this without you guys. So I thank you guys so much for all that you do for me and all your love and support. And yeah, I love you all so much. Okay, so I just got done working out and I did grab a Fairlife protein shake out of our fridge, my parents' fridge, just because I am headed to practice, and if I went through practice for 2.5 hours without anything to eat or drink after I just worked out, I'd be a little hungry. So I made sure to grab this. I did eat lunch already, but this will hold me off until dinner. So yeah. I just got home. I still have yet to touch my laundry, but we'll get to that tomorrow, maybe. Okay, let's go get something to eat. Literally so good. Yeah. This is my dinner. So I'm gonna eat this, and then I'm gonna shower. Then I'll probably eat a snack later. Then I'll probably read a book. Then I'll probably watch YouTube videos, and then I'll probably go to sleep because I work at 6 a.m. So. Okay, so I studied for an extra hour, and now I am going to go grab a snack. I'm going to be eating celery and buffalo chicken dip probably, so yeah. How'd your exam go?
Oh.
I like to use this on my scalp whenever I am shampooing my hair so it gets down in my scalp. I use this for body wash. This is the best ever face cleanser. Love it. When I want to really deep cleanse my face, I use this. And then I use this shampoo and conditioner. And then I use this as a body scrub whenever I really want to exfoliate. Okay, so I just got out of the shower, obviously. And now I am going to grab a book. I'm going to be reading The Mountain Is You tonight. Literally such a good book. 10 out of 10 would recommend. And then turn on my heated blanket and go to sleep. So, heated blanket's on. Grab my book. And now I'm ready for bed. So I'm going to read this book and go to sleep. So thank you guys so much for watching my vlog today. Day of my life / what I eat in a day. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you guys in my next video.